And then the next thing is to authenticate your account. So you click the tab which is in the bottom right corner. Then you'll be brought here. Now, where there is your profile pic in the top left corner, you will see your name. At the bottom of your name, there is an ID. Then at the bottom of the ID, there is click to authenticate. Click there. Okay, and you are here. When you are brought here, this is the part where most of the people get stuck. But we are doing this once and for all, and you'll never fail to pass this stage. Click Authenticate now. Click while using the app. Then you see this frame which is here. What you do is you simply imitate. Don't lift the other hand this side. Lift the hand which is actually where this frame is, where there is a hand. Now, I don't know how people find it pretty difficult. You simply raise your hand like this, and then you fold the middle fingers, just like this, okay? And then you move slightly away from the camera or from the phone so that you're able to fit into the frame. Then from here, you can actually click the phone. That is the round part where you have to take a pic from. Okay, so here we go. That's it. Then click Use Photos. Okay, beautiful. So now look at that picture which is already there. The one where there is a word click to edit. It looks blurry. Now because it looks blurry, there's no way you can use it. You understand what I'm saying? You can't use it so that they compare it with the one you just took, because the features are hidden. So you make sure you pick on a picture which is clear. So I'm gonna click to edit. Then I will actually use the camera so that the pic will be fresh and clear. So I'm gonna take a pic this time around. So here we go. Okay, so I've taken a pic. If I want, I could have gotten into my gallery to pick on a different pic, but I've just taken a new pic, which I'll be able to change in due season. So here we go. I will crop it by clicking the tick button up there. Don't be in a hurry to submit. Make sure you pick on pictures which are clearer, showing all your features. If the pics are blurry, this will fail. So this is how we do. Okay, so that one has been uploaded. Okay, and you see now that all the pics look the same. People are able to tell that's me. I can click submit. Under review, please wait. Congratulations, authentication succeed. So you see, that's how we do it, baby. So from here, we can now click the arrow in the top left corner. And then allow Meyo to be sending you messages. Okay, cancel that. Let's check on the message that we've been sent. Congratulations, your authentication is approved.